Alright guys, I have a feeling this is going to be a really short video trying to answer a simple question. I've probably had 5 or 6 requests, people asking me, could you split wood with your tractor backhoe and a ripper blade on it? And I've got the ripper blade, that's probably why people are asking me about it. My friend Neil from Dig Drive DIY has a full-size backhoe and he made his own splitter for it, and it crushes up big rounds like nothing. When people ask me, I say, no, these little backhoes, they don't have that kind of power on them. They don't have the strength to push through the wood. Well, I just put a massive cylinder on mine, and I've got the thumb, and I've got the ripper, so why am I speculating? Why don't I just find out? I got this monster log right here that I dug out. I'm going to cut some off of it so we can put this on the sawmill. So I'm going to cut this at 16 feet. I'm going to try splitting this. Now I've got a few different types of wood down there. We'll try splitting a variety that way. So first thing I need to do is cut the end off, then we'll get started. My optimism level on this test is about 1% chance that it's going to work. If I'm wrong, it's going to be a huge win because I'd love for this to work. So I would call this a lesson learned. And the lesson is that everything has a limit, and just having a hydraulic cylinder, pushing something with a cutting edge on it, does not make it a log splitter. And this is not going to do it under any circumstance. I tried several different kinds of wood. Maybe if it was already seasoned and dry and ready to pop apart, you could get a few, but it'd still be slow. So I wasted just a little bit of time to answer a simple question. Hopefully it helps somebody. I appreciate you taking time to watch the video. I'll put links on the screen to a couple more of our videos, and I'll see you next time.